Welcome back to another video of Slime, you guys. We're here for episode 15. The Jura Forest Alliance is what it is titled. Last time we ran into the Orc Lord, who actually, after eating Gelmud, he ended up evolving into Orc Disaster, and RIMURU beat him without much difficulty at all. And the best part about that episode was that the ogres said that they're staying with us, and I am so happy because I like all of them, especially Shion. You guys should know by now that Shion is my favorite, you know. And I'm glad that they're staying, and I'm sure after making the alliance with the Lizardmen, I'm sure some of them will probably end up joining us. That's why this is titled the Jura Forest Alliance. And you know, basically what I feel like is happening is RIMURU is grabbing a bunch of like people that he's making alliances with, and they're staying with them, like the dwarves, the goblins, the ogres, the direwolves, yada yada yada. And I'm excited to get into this, you guys. And if you guys enjoy it, consider leaving a like, commenting. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I will be catching up to all of the Slime series, or I mean both of the seasons. I will be watching like the OVAs and the movie and stuff like that. So you guys, I hope you guys will join me for the journey. And so without further ado, you guys, let's get right on into episode 15. She's so fine. Her too. Sherman, I like her. Trainee's lit. Nani? True. Look at RIMURU being a just leader. Oh. Damn. The orcs, I'm sure, will join him. True. They live by the same rules, my boy. Yeah. Yes, sir. The goats. Labor. Fair enough. They seem very strong physically, so. Yo, this is lit. I like this. Yeah, I love this anime. Oh man, I like her. She's cool. Oh man. I'm out. Oh wow. Wow, my boy is cooking. Wow. It's all the baddies serving him. But they are having mercy though. They're not. I am a samurai. Oh, the baddest samurai in history. Spy instructor. Perfectly suited for them. Holy princess. Oh, Juna, she's cute. Samurai general, okay. I mean, realistically, RIMURU will. They're lit, bro. Damn, my boy went super soon. Orc or king. Of course, naturally. He's not gonna. Damn. Yo, they threw his ass out, bro. Damn, the pops is giving him that, yo, man. Brother with the head straight for Rimuru. Straight for Rimuru. That's our boy. Yeah, Dio? I don't think you could do much, my boy. Actually, at this point, maybe. Oh, Clayman. Aw. It just couldn't be that easy. I have spotted Gabiru on the outskirts. Oh wow, hello? This reminded me of Hulk. If you guys want, like, you know, with the Wing Knights. Oh, this is the Dwarven King, right? Yo, they're like, yo, action, let's go. Who are you? The orc or the ogres, their clothes look so sick. Like Benimaru with the sword behind his back. We can just knock them all away. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, he looks so clean with the mask. I want to see what you truly are. I want to see how strong this guy is. Our boy Rimuru is cooking though, we know this, but... Wait, that is right, his hair did grow out. You guys were telling me that in the comments, saying that after he absorbed the Orc Lord, the Orc disaster. Oh, Trainee is in the... Oh, okay. She's always just lurking, listening. The thing I wonder though is, like, is Rimuru really even that good at like sword fighting? Because we haven't seen him ever train, you know? We know he's strong as hell, but... Quiet. Yo, Rimuru's lit, bro. Yo, shut your trap, bro. Thunder of heaven and earth. Whoa, quick! Rimuru! No, it's not. Oh, it is. Wow. Rimuru, quick! Huh? That's it? Wait. Is he the one that taught him? Wow, he trained him! Wow! Oh man, it's a small world. True. That is true, actually. That is true. Yo. They don't have a name. was gonna think of some trash on the spot. Your Tempest Federation. Honestly, not bad. Better than I thought. You. Yeah, I knew Shion would hop in there and just make decisions for him. Capital City RIMURU. Yo, this is so sick. What the hell? We're lit. So you guys, that was episode... Wait, what episode was it? Let me see. That was episode 15 of that time I got reincarnated as a slime. The Jura Forest Alliance, it was, you know, we obviously got RIMURU named as a chancellor for the alliance with, like, you know, the lizardmen, and he took in the 150,000 orcs, and obviously we have the ogres. Pigeons, I believe they are now, but I'll just continue calling them ogres. And then we saw later on that the Dwarven King showed up to form an alliance with RIMURU as well, but at first he thought that RIMURU was evil, so he crossed swords with him, but he managed to figure out that RIMURU is not evil, and it turns out that, what's his name, Hakuro, I think? The one that's the instructor, that's his title. He's the one that actually trained the Dwarven King, so that's kind of cool, you know. And I was saying it's a small world, so, you know, now we have an alliance going, and I feel like obviously RIMURU is going to keep on expanding his empire, and it's going to become like the biggest empire one day, so I'm excited, you guys. So without further ado, let's get right on into episode 16. She was the one that was on the thumbnail. Yeah, you brought a gift. Yo, let's go. Yeah, dead body in the waste. Yes, you just hand him over to him. How about you lock him up? Yeah, right. To be honest, if I was Kaijin, bro, I would run my ones with this guy. I'd be like, yo, we gotta box it out. Kaijin's too nice, bro, to this guy. I'm not gonna lie. You got some... Yo, Gabiru! Yo, what are you doing here? Oh, wow, I'm actually crying. Glazers. Yo, Shion, you see, this is why she's my favorite. I have not been disowned. Nani? Oh, she's here too. She's cool. Yeah. No effort. This guy's just naming people. Don't act so jealous. Kabiru. Wow, you helped. You're evolving him. May I use them as I wish, bro. Oh, whoa! These are not the lizard people. There's no way. They're the lizard people? Yo, what the fuck? Why y'all look like humans? Wow. I could sell them. You could use them and you could sell them too and make money. No, you can't. You know this. Especially with the title of the episode. You're not taking nothing easy, my boy. Oh, this is the Demon Lord. Yo! Why? Bro, can you... Yo, what the hell? What is she wearing? Yo, she's here with the quickness. Yo, this is about to be sick. I can't lie. It's about to be nice. Can you just leave a crater in the outskirts of my town? Yo, stop poking me like this. What the? Yeah, man, she's poking him. He's gonna absorb her too, I'm sure. Eight stage. RIMURU. I'm not gonna lie, they look good together. I can't even lie. Can y'all relax? Sword's gone. Yo, Shion! Yo, she's... Yo! Yo, why would you do that? Rimuru's the strongest one. Why would you jump in? She's about to get cooked. Shion, no, baby girl, no! Not my babe. Oh, so she's saying she's her. One Piece. Yo, she's kind of raw. I'm not gonna lie. She's kind of raw, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I like her. Oh, she's one of those. He's trying to. Whoa. I'm gonna exceed yours by more than 10 times? Bro, she's too raw. What the? Yeah, he's gathering Shinsu? Like Tower of God? He's about to stop that quick. Yo, get that shit. He fed that to her? Yo, I'm wow, honey. Yo, I like her. Yo, they're like, what the fuck? We call it a draw this. Yo, she's bored. I'm crying. Yo, I like her so much. Yo, she has to join us. Let me join you? Quick! Temper tantrums. Yeah, we found a tsundere. She's gonna like it. She's gonna end up liking him. How much? I'll bet you money. Maybe she'll be, I don't see her becoming an enemy anymore. Oh no. Oh no! Gabiru shut up. Dead. He's gone. He's dead. Yo, she cooked him. Why would you show up and do that shit? Why would you just show up and start talking shit? He literally just adopted her. That's crazy. Tyrant like her, bro. She'll kill you, bro. Relax. Now on? What happened to the investigation? Yeah, she's entering a harem, bro. Okay, besties. Okay, yo, that's lit. I like her. Yo, I like her even more. She's lit. Oh, yes, we are. No, I would say yes, we are. Yeah. Aw. I really hope she doesn't end up becoming an enemy, bro. I like her so much. She's cool. She's fun. Hey, you never had a bath before? Yo, they're nervous because she can just kill him. I had a feeling when you were saying it's getting built, I was like, yeah, these girls are not about to let you bathe alone. Her protection. Or alliance, I guess, yeah. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, 'cause she even has a RIMURU who's a demon. He's a beast, you know? Her bestie. Yeah, I love this anime. No objections. Yeah, they're like, yeah, bro. They're like, yo, hey. One of the most powerful, really. Oh no. Oh, look at him getting along, bruh. Shion doesn't like it, but she's taking. Yo. Quick. Wow. I really hope she doesn't become an enemy, bro. No, why would it end? So you guys, that was episode 16 of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slam. We got introduced to Milim, who I actually think is really, really cool. I really hope that she doesn't end up becoming an enemy, because I am actually starting to become fond of her. I like her a lot already. She's such a cool character, like her personality and stuff. She's fun, and I really hope that we don't end up making enemies out of her, which for some reason I feel like we might, and I'm not sure. Like I really hope we don't. I hope that we could get along, but I feel like that's not going to be the case, because I feel like they kind of like hinted at the struggle that will happen, or the conflict is that RIMURU, like now the other demon lords will think that Milim and RIMURU basically formed an alliance, because basically the Forest of Jura alliance is under RIMURU, so then she will have more influence, and obviously the other demon lords will not stand for it. So I feel like they're gonna attack and something's gonna happen, this and that, and I feel like Milim's either gonna end up dying, or she might end up, I mean, I feel like she's probably not gonna betray RIMURU, because right now RIMURU can't beat her. I feel like what might happen is she might be on the verge of death or something, and RIMURU might absorb her and get her powers, which will make him like way more powerful. So I feel like that might happen. I really hope not, but at this point I can't really say what might or might not happen, but I'm excited. I wish I could watch the next episode, man. Every time I watch this, like I record these reactions, it makes me want to record the next two right away, because you know I want to watch what happens next. But that's for tomorrow. But if you guys enjoyed, consider leaving a like, commenting, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let me know what you guys thought about this episode down below, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one.